right, we're back here and we're going to be talking about something that we all dread, and it's cashing up for taxes. Like, say I'm not the most organized person, and when I get to tax season, now I owe the government money. So Christine is going to share with us some tips on actually, bypassing that surprise feeling.
Okay. Well, you're not gonna like what I'm gonna tell you, but this will really help you manage that year-end crunch, like that cash crunch. So I wanna talk about two things. So GST, saving up for GST. So if you are GST registered, I strongly suggest that every time you collect GST from your customers, that you once a week or once a month, put that money away in an out of sight, out of mind bank account, okay? So, and when I say out of sight, out of mind bank account, it's the type of bank account that is super basic that you can't even draw funds from it. You can't e-transfer from it, you can't write checks from it, that way you're never tempted, okay? So, that's for GST. So anytime you collect GST, put it away. For income tax, because you don't exactly know how much money you're going to end up paying the government, my suggestion is to put away 30% of your income.
Okay.
So, or if you make, let's say $100, I would put away 30% of that, which is $30, again, in a separate out of sight, out of mind bank account, so that those monies are already there being saved, and you don't have to come up with it at tax time.
So I have a question on the GST then, especially because we discussed previously that it is you can actually have some deductions
offset,
right?
Exactly.
Offset.
Yeah.
So how do you manage that? Is it like a savings account?
You know what?
At the end of the year you owe less?
Yeah. Okay, so if you want to be conservative with your approach, I would put away all the GST you collected, and don't even worry about your expenses. Okay? So just so it's there, and then at the end of the day you can give yourself a refund, like a self-induced refund. However, if you're the type of person who is actually caught up with your bookkeeping, this is the only way that you can maybe put away a reduced amount. Right. So again,
because you're more actual, you're more up to date.
Up to date. So if you're the type of person who's not quite up to date, I wouldn't even bother offsetting the ITCs that we talked about in a previous episode. I would just put away the GST you collected.
So, quick question on that. What does it mean to be caught up?
Caught up?
Yeah.
Yeah. So at any point in time, your books your bookkeeping is complete. So you have all of your income in there, you have all your receipts
to date
and expenses.
Or to the week before, or to the month?
Let's say the month. Yeah, that's more doable. Okay. So let's say a strategy you can implement is at the end of each month, if you're caught up, then you get to see how much GST you need to put away.
Okay.
Yeah. So it doesn't have to be daily, it just needs to be caught up for the month.
The last statement, or the
last bank statement.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, that helps.